the silent killer killed you and took you away. Carbon monoxide poisoning. You had no way of knowing it's not your fault. Do you know? Firstly, I want to say I love you. And secondly, I want to tell you things you may never know. You were never late to pick up your little sister of 4. She was standing on the little balcony, holding the rails, looking down the street where we lived in Estepona in the south of Spain. She was looking down the street, searching, waiting anxiously. And you didn't come, you didn't appear. Bobby received a phone call that you hadn't appeared to pick her up. So he went to pick her up as soon as he could from work. And they went home to the house. The shower was still running when they arrived. So he knocked on the door and called your name out. And you didn't answer. So he knocked harder. And you still didn't answer. He went round to the back of the bathroom where the little window was to find the closed-off balcony full of black smoke. He knew there was something very badly wrong then and told your little sister to go downstairs to the neighbour. So he went back to the door of the bathroom and kicked it down. And kicked it and kicked it. And when it finally opened, he realized your little sister was right behind him. And they both saw you laying there, dead in the bath, with the shower running. Your little sister was looking at you dead in the bath. They did their very best to bring you back. But you were pronounced dead at 1400 hours on Friday, the 3rd of November of the millennium. And your grandmother appeared. And there she was, standing at the door, staring at you in the middle of the living room floor, lying lifeless. Her 18-year-old grandson. During the arrangements of your funeral, I had to go into a room filled with coffins and choose one for you. There was only one dark red one. That's the one I chose. One of your favorite colors. I had to leave you up in the funeral parlor for 8 days before your burial, as I couldn't say goodbye. I needed time to say goodbye. At your funeral, there was over 160 people paying their respects and saying goodbye, demonstrating their love. The pain that has engulfed the family still hasn't gone. 9.5 years have gone by. And it's still here every day. Your little sister used to look up to the stars with tears coming down, asking where you were, saying that she couldn't see you. If he's in heaven, why can't I see him? I've been waiting a long time for justice to take its course. But it's like there's no remorse in these people, in the owners and the managers of the flat. So many people lose their lives like you. Small children, parents, grandparents. So many people have gone like you, and I am here to stand up for those that have lost their lives to carbon monoxide poisoning. When my family left the apartment where my son died, it was re-rented, and I asked if there'd been any change in the gas installation, and she said she hadn't heard any workmen. It was still in the same lethal condition. This man had re-rented the apartment without even having the gas installation fixed, reformed. How can one forgive someone that doesn't care about others? Just so blatantly doesn't care. Yet the justice system doesn't seem to care. They know about the situation, but have done nothing about it. I don't know if I ever will stop suffering. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. It's neither here or there. But it's been 9.5 years, and I miss you, Dino. And I love you. It's as simple as this. Once the batteries are in, you attach it to the ceiling. It has a test button, so you know it's working. On the sounding of the alarm, you must immediately move to fresh air, open a door, a window, or go outside, and then call the emergency services.